Hello guys, they are a little bit dark in here. We are at Bulgarian and Greece border. We trespassed the Greece border. We stay too much, I don't know, somewhere, because we catch the night and Mokushko is sleeping there. I don't know if if you can see, but maybe this Mokushko. Servus Mokushko. Mokushko is sleeping, so it's a little bit dark, and we have a little bit more to go, but we will sleep somewhere. See you tomorrow.